Hey guys, this is my bike check. Let me start front to back. It's Kenda dirt tire.
Where are you going?
A stock DK sealed double wall 14mm axle, front rim, bully impulse forks, sealed headset, bully stem, animal sway bars, one stolen money grip, one fly Reuben, DK Dayton frame, 2008. Got a sealed European bottom bracket.
Nice cat.
An Shadow Conspiracy crank and bones 25 tooth chain wheel. Odyssey twisted pedals. KMC heavy chain. Coalition rail seat with poverty shaft. Then I have a poverty spare back rim, 9 tooth cassette, lacing a Haro multi-sir. I don't even know what the hell it's called. It's a decent tire. Yeah, that's about it.
By the way, nice hat.